Hi guys, today I will be quickly giving you guys a 100% working Hostinger coupon code. Now, if you come to Hostinger site without any special link or coupon code, you will be seeing their default pricing for this holiday season deal where they are also giving some extra free months on few selected plans. So, to get this limited period deal, all you need to do is just click the discount link in the video description down below, and after you come to this page, choose any plan whichever you want. Then click on Add to Cart and wait for some time to load the plans page. Now, as you can see, all the plan costs are showing here. You can also see that you can save the most amount of money if you go for the 24 months or the 48 months plans, but if you prefer, you can also go with the 12 months plan. The 1 month plan doesn't have any discounts on it though. For an example, if you want to get 48 months plan for getting the highest discount, all you have to do is just select this plan and then scroll down a little, and then you can see the option of entering your coupon code here. If you are visiting the page from your tablet or smartphone, then please select one of the payment methods first, and then you can see this coupon code option. You can see the total pricing for this plan without a coupon. Now enter this coupon code HA10. So you can just click the Hostinger discount link in the video description and enter this coupon code in this coupon code field to get the discount. Now, as you can see, after entering this coupon code, you will get a very nice amount of discount on all the plans. So you will get the best deal now in this offer, and also you will still be able to apply the coupon code to get additional discounts. So don't miss the chance to grab Hostinger in this year's limited period deal. Now, as a side note, Hostinger can change the website interface, the plan names, and their pricing time to time. So, as I previously mentioned, please check the discounted link I have provided in the video description below to check their current offerings. Then, select the plan that you want, enter the coupon code, which I mentioned earlier, and buy. So, that's it for today's video, everyone.